Hello students, today we are going to discuss about closed bag structure. Closed bag structure refers to the most tightly packed crystal structure. To understand about the closed bag structure, let's imagine atom as a hard sphere. Now how can we stack these atoms in such a way that they can fill up all the empty space? So to maximize the efficiency of packing and to minimize the volume of unfilled space, the spheres must be arranged as close as possible to each other. So these type of arrangements are called closed packed structure. And also the packing of these atoms describes the structure of any crystal, which further explains the property of that crystal. So in closed packing, the arrangement of atoms are densely packed in order to take up the greatest amount of space possible. So here this hexagonal structure and the cubic structure are the closed packed structure, as they can fill up approximately 74% of the available space. So first let's discuss about the hexagonal closed packed structure. This picture indicates the unit cell of hexagonal closed packed structure. Unit cell of HCP structure comprises of total 17 atoms. Here are two hexagon, this is top layer and this is bottom layer, and atoms are placed as the corner of this hexagon, and also there is an atom present at the center of this hexagon. Now the middle layer, which is in between these two hexagon, is placed at this position, and these atoms are not in line up with the atoms which are present in these two hexagons. So this is the unit cell of hexagonal close packing. Now here in this unit cell, this A is the lattice parameter, which is the distance between the two lattice points, and C is the height of this unit cell. Now if we place atoms on these unit cell, then these atoms will, the stacking of atoms will be like this, which is A B stacking. So in case of hexagonal close packing, atoms are stacked in A B type. Clear? If we compare this stacking with the cubic close packing, then in case of cubic close pack structure, atoms are arranged as ABC type. And this is the unit cell for this cubic closed pack structure, which is face centered structure. To understand about the stacking of atoms in these two closed pack structure, let's start with the first layer and first discuss about the hexagonal closed packing. So this is the first layer of atoms. Now how can we place the second layer on this first layer? For this, mark the void which are present in between the atoms. Here you can see there are voids of two shapes. One is like this and another is like this. For second layer, mark these shape void and then place atoms at these voids. So first let's mark all these points. This is the side view of first layer, and then mark all these voids which are of this shape. This will look like this. Now place second layer on these points. Here these red dots are the center of the atoms, which are the atoms of second layer. Now next, how can we place the third layer on this second layer? For third layer, again mark these voids. Clear? If we mark all these voids, this is the side view for two layers, and mark these voids which are present between first layer and second layer, like this. Now place third layer on these yellow dots. These dots, yellow dots, are the center for the atoms of third layer. So in this way we can place atoms in hexagonal close packing. This is the side view for first, second and third layer. I'll repeat again all the stacking of atoms. Let's start with the first layer, and the side view of first layer is like this. Then mark the voids present in between the first layer. Then place atoms on these points which are marked with red color. Now again mark point for the third layer. This is side view for two layers. Then again mark points for third layer and place atoms on these points. These yellow dots are the center for the atoms of third layer. This is the side view for these three layers of atoms. So in this way, if we join all these atoms, then it will lead to a crystal structure. This is AB type packing. Clear? Now this is the unit cell for this type of stacking, which is a hexagonal close packing. Now next, discuss about the cubic closed pack structure in which atoms are stacked as ABC type. Again, let's start with first layer and mark the voids which are present in between these atoms with red dot. This is the side view of first layer. Then again mark points. These are the voids which are present in between the atoms of first layer. Now place the second layer on these red dots, and these red dots are the center point for the atoms of second layer, like this. Clear? Now again mark points for the third layer. This is the side view of these two layers. Now again mark the points for third layer. These are the dots for third layer. Now place the third layer on these yellow dots such that the center of atoms lies at these points. Clear? So this type of stacking of atoms is ABC type. This is the side view for the ABC type. If we join all the atoms in this way that stacking of atom is like ABC type, then it will lead to a crystal structure. So this crystal structure is cubic closed packed structure. Cubic closed packed structure is face centered cubic structure. Face centered cubic structure is like this, that atoms are present at the corner of the cube and also at 6 faces of this cube. If we tilt this cube in such a way as shown in this figure, then in 3D view it will look like this. So here you can mark this is A, B, C types stacking of atoms. So cubic closed packed structure is face centered cubic structure, and the efficiency of this structure to fill up space is 74%, which we have discussed in our previous video where we had discussed about the characteristics of cubic crystals. So this is the cubic closed pack structure. This is the side view of stacking of atoms like ABC type, and this is the unit cell for this stacking. This is unit cell view. Now let's compare between the hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing. In this picture you can mark 2 layers of atoms are stacked. Clear? And for the third layer we have marked yellow dot. This is HCP structure and this is cubic closed packed structure. Please compare these two structures. See, in hexagonal closed packed structure, these yellow dots means the location for the third layer is this. If we compare it with cubic closed packed structure, then the location of atoms of third layer is at this position. So this makes the difference between hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing. Clear? So if we see the side view for both of these structures, then it will look like this. So this stacking is A, B type, and this stacking is A, B, C type. See, in case of HCP structure, third layer is coinciding with the first layer of atoms. But if we compare it with cubic closed packed structure, this is not the case in this type of stacking of atoms. Both of these stackings have efficiency, means have packing fraction of 74%, but there is a difference in stacking of third layer in comparison with the if we compare these two structures, means if we compare HCP structure with the cubic closed packed structure. So these are the two types of stacking, means AB stacking and ABC stacking. So this is all about the hexagonal closed packed packing and the cubic closed packing, and how atoms are stacked in these two structures. Is in one case this stacking is like AB type, and in cubic closed packing it is like ABC type. So this is all about the today's lecture. Thank you, students.